Today I'm going to demonstrate how to mix an Absolut Tessa Rosa. Now this shot is going to call for Absolut, directly in the name. Anytime you see an Absolut something as a shot, you're going to assume that your base is going to be Absolut Vodka. If you don't have Absolut Vodka, you can still make this with another vodka. It's just important that your second ingredient is Campari. Now there's not really a substitute for this specifically. Campari is an Italian red bitter aperitif. Really bitter tasting, but at the same time kind of has an orange flavor in there a little bit. Goes really well with orange juice. Anyways, we're going to start by mixing our ingredients in our 16-ounce mixing glass. So you want to add ice first. And then from there, we're going to go 2 parts of Absolut to 1 part of Campari, or basically 1 ounce to ½ ounce. So we're going to start by counting 1, 2, 3, and 4 is going to give us our desired ounce pour. And then 1 and 2 will give us our desired ½ ounce pour. From there, we're going to get our shot glass out. Mix and shake our ingredients together. And then strain directly into your shot glass. And that is your Absolut Tessa Rosa. Enjoy.